Build a money-making website with AI. Most people think you need coding skills or thousands of dollars to build a website that actually makes money. That's no longer true. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a money-making website using AI, even if you've never built a website before in your life. No coding, no design skills, just AI. Step 1. Pick a money goal. Before we touch any tools, we need one thing clear: how this website will make money. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options. Local service leads affiliate offers, selling a simple service or digital product. For this tutorial, I'll use a local service website because it's the fastest way to get paid. Step 2. Describe your business to AI. AI websites work best when you give clear instructions. Here's an example prompt you can use. Build a professional website for a local business type that focuses on getting phone calls and form submissions. Clean, modern, trustworthy design. That's it. No tech talk required. Step 3. Let AI build the website. Once you submit that prompt, AI does the heavy lifting. It designs the layout, writes the headlines, adds call to action buttons, optimizes it for mobile. In a few minutes, you have a full website, not a blank page. Step 4. Edit only what matters. You don't need to perfect everything. Focus on headline services, contact section, call to action buttons. Change the business name, phone number, and location. And you're already ahead of most people. Step 5. Turn it into a money machine. This is where most people fail, but you won't. To make money, your site needs a clear offer, one main goal, a way to contact you fast, phone button, contact form, simple pricing. Done. Step 6. Connect traffic. A website alone doesn't make money. Traffic does. Start with Google Business Profile, Facebook groups, TikTok or YouTube Shorts, local listings. One client can pay for the entire site. Step 7. Scale with AI. Once this works, AI lets you duplicate it. New locations, new services, new niches. This is how people scale without burning out. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't over-design. Don't add 10 pages. Don't wait for perfection. Speed beats perfection every time. AI doesn't replace effort. It removes friction. If you can describe a business, you can build a website that makes money. Like, subscribe, and follow Digital Cash Empire 1 for more ways to use AI to actually make money.